The cryptocurrency exchange is much like a stock exchange or a commodities exchange. It's a place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. There's centralized exchanges, so you often see that abbreviated CEX for centralized exchange. And then there's decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, and that's a DEX. Centralized exchanges look a lot like brokerage platforms that people might be familiar with. There's one company or person that owns and runs the exchange. And they act as the intermediary for all the transactions, they act as the broker, and they kind of manage and regulate the operation of the exchange. Typically in a centralized exchange, there's more process and procedure around opening an account. So you have to show identity information, you have to do what in the banking world is called KYC or Know Your Customer. So the exchange, because they're more regulated, it usually has more process around people creating accounts, which means less anonymity. A decentralized exchange is kind of the opposite of the centralized exchange. There's no one person that owns or runs the exchange. That's very challenging from a legal perspective to regulate a decentralized exchange. Data is living on lots and lots of different machines. It's peer-to-peer. There isn't one person who owns and runs the exchange. Who do you hold responsible? Who are you regulating? What person or company is going to follow these rules? It's also riskier for that reason, for people to trade and keep assets on these decentralized exchanges. You can sue a cryptocurrency exchange. There have actually been quite a few lawsuits against exchanges. One of the big drivers of lawsuits against exchanges has to do with the fluctuation of value of the underlying crypto assets. Sometimes exchanges have been accused of making it hard for people to withdraw assets from the exchange because it may affect the exchange's ability to operate or engage in their own type of investment activities. There have also been lawsuits based on an exchange, specifically a centralized exchange, failing to execute trades quickly, which has caused losses to people on exchanges. And then, a host of other concerns beyond money. There could be hacks, your information could be leaked, there could be loss of assets, there could be any number of losses or damages that aren't strictly related to the core operation of the exchange, and all of those become the subject of lawsuits.